Alright, we're here cleaning the furnaces, and I looked and it was all wet in here. So I took the pump off and look at the shaft. I probably can't see it, but it actually moves, so the pump seal is destroyed. I pulled the coupling out and look at it. Have you ever seen anything like this? It has to have a backdraft on it. I wonder if there's got to be a hole in this furnace, Mike.
If it's doing that.
Because this house, I don't know if you can see it, but it has this, a 10-inch or 9-inch pipe that goes outside. This is the cold air intake, and it just goes down to the floor here for combustion air for these two furnaces. There's two Whale McLeans here, and a big old Bach over there that has its own combustion air. That's the 6-inch. It goes over to it.
So what should do? Take the blower motor out?
I don't know. I'm gonna have to, when we start it, we're gonna have to test it.
Yeah.
That coupling is supposed to look like that. That thing melted. I can't believe the furnace was still running.
Neither do I.
And it spun the pump on such a angle. It just wore the pump seal right out of it. All right. Let's see what happens. Yeah, the chamber is broken. See it in there? But the fan's running and there's no back pressure off of this. It's actually sucking in. Look, I could actually stick my finger in there and it's not burning. If there was a hole in the furnace when the blower comes on, it would be shooting out of here. You know, I mean, a blower would, if it's enough to melt that coupling. Look at that thing. That 40 years I've been doing this, and I've never seen one melt like that. I've just seen them disintegrate and shatter in a million pieces. But that's the craziest thing. So I'm going to have to get a ThermoPride chamber. Open that one up too, Mike, and look in there and make sure that chamber's okay, because if not, we're going to change both of them. Alright. I'm going to have to ask the homeowner if they had any painters or carpenters that had exhaust fan running in the house, but I can't see it. Overwhelming. This 12 by 12 with a 10-inch air intake. See, it comes right down, comes to the floor, and then that 6-inch goes over to that 50-gallon Bach over there. I don't know. I just changed all the pipe last year on both of them. The chimneys were nice and clear. They're a hell of a draft. Looks okay? Yeah. Well, you see this one here. See where it's broken?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so, I mean, that's... I looked down the tube. It's not impinging on the flame, so... I got a feeling they had something else going on in this house. Alright. You can see the crack in the back there. Oh yeah, it's all collapsing. That's an all-day job right there.
Yep.
2 of them. Better hope there's no hole in it. But, I mean, it's got a hell of a draft.